Neek said purple cabbage has such a distinct flavor. How did it turn out? So this is some of my purple cabbage. And I made some cornbread. And I have some of these little bacon wrapped chicken that I got from Walmart. And some mac and cheese. And I'm an avid bed eater. So I love to eat in my room. But I do know how to have family time at the table. But it's not dinner time right now. This is what it's giving Neek. I'm still chewing, child. It's not like cooking cabbage on the stove. Yeah, I added a cornbread with it. I will definitely do it again, but